Hello and welcome to Tutorials Made Simple. In this tutorial video, I'm going to be taking you through how to connect your WhatsApp, that's from your phone, with your desktop browser. You will go to this website, web.whatsapp.com. Enter and wait for it to load. Now you see this QR code here. You are supposed to scan it with your phone scanner. This scanner is embedded in the WhatsApp app already, so you don't have to look for scanners or QR scanner, anything to scan these codes. But remember, for now, this application, this innovation is working only on Google Chrome for now. They are still working on bringing it onto different platforms, different browsers. So I will be using the Google Chrome for now, and I believe if you use it, it will work for you as well. Now on your Windows phone, this video is for Windows. Please remember that. On your Windows phone, you go to your WhatsApp, then you go to WhatsApp web. On this, click on this. Now if you click on this, it will, this scanner here, this is the scanner, show it to this QR code over here and try to scan it. So in case I scan it, I'm trying, it said click to reload, so it is reloading. Now if I show it to it, so you can see that it has scanned it. Once it has finished scanning, the browse page that will lead you directly to your WhatsApp. So now if you see this, you can see currently active window. Go back and then do whatever you want to do, and then now you can see your messages are here. You can read your messages now, just as you can read on your phone. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe, leave any comments you have so that I will attend to them.